Hello everyone, today we will look at the OPPO A74 5G, which is a 5G ready phone and it has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. I'm going to tell you all about it, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So it has Qualcomm 5G system on the chip, 90Hz hyper color screen, 5000 mAh battery, 18W fast charge powered by Android, and it has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It has 6.49-inch Full HD Plus punch-hole display with 2400 by 1080 pixels, larger screen-to-body ratio of 90.5% and side fingerprint sensor. Camera is nowadays one of the basic features we look at in a phone. The primary sensor is a 48MP camera, while you also get a 2MP close-up and a 2MP macro camera, and in the front you are going to get an 8MP selfie shooter. Coming to its processor, it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 480, which you may think is Snapdragon's 400 series processor, but let me tell you, it is actually equivalent to Snapdragon 600 series, which is quite good. The OPPO A74 5G is available in single configuration with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. One of the most important things that I keep in consideration and suggest everyone to look for is the battery life. And trust me when I say this phone is not going to disappoint you. It has 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. Last but not the least is the connector type. So the OPPO A74 5G has USB Type-C, making sure you can have easy access to charge the phone anytime or anywhere.